Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best simmer pots is probably one of the most delightful and effortless ways to transform your living space into an aromatic sanctuary, filling every corner with inviting fragrances that can soothe your mind, uplift your spirits, or simply make your home feel incredibly welcoming, creating an ambience that store-bought air fresheners simply cannot replicate with their artificial scents and fleeting presence. Number 5. HexClad 10-Quart Hybrid Nonstick Stock Pot. Discover the HexClad 10-Quart Hybrid Stock Pot, engineered for culinary excellence. Its unique laser-etched hexagonal surface combines stainless steel and ceramic for the ultimate sear and effortless cleanup. There's no limit to what this pot can do in your kitchen. From simmering rich chili to steaming fresh seafood, it handles canning, preserving, and even deep frying with ease. Featuring tri-ply construction with an aluminum core, it ensures quicker and more even heating across all surfaces. This pot is safe for any home cooktop, including induction. This robust pot is metal utensil safe and dishwasher friendly, making cleanup a breeze. It's also oven safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, offering incredible versatility for your cooking needs. Your investment is protected by a lifetime warranty against manufacturer's defects when purchased from HexClad Cookware. This ensures lasting quality and performance for your home kitchen. Each purchase includes one 10-quart pot and a tempered glass lid. This versatile set is ready to become the centerpiece of your culinary adventures. What we like. This pot boasts a unique hybrid non-stick surface, combining stainless steel and ceramic for ultimate durability and easy cleaning. If you're a serious home chef who demands professional-grade performance and versatility for everything from deep frying to canning, this is your go-to. Its extreme oven-safe temperature and metal utensil compatibility make it a workhorse for any culinary challenge. What people say. Number 4. Glass Cooking Pot 1.5L Borosilicate Cookware. This cookware set is crafted from food-grade, high borosilicate glass. It's 100% lead-free and non-toxic, offering a healthier alternative to plastic or stainless steel options. Designed to withstand temperatures from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this pot is incredibly versatile. You can safely use it on electric infrared stoves, in the oven, refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave. With a 1.5L, 50 ounces, capacity, it's perfect for preparing baby food, heating milk, or making sauces. It's especially convenient for instant noodles, eliminating the need for extra bowls. Its transparent design allows you to monitor your cooking progress without lifting the lid. You can watch your food from a distance, ensuring perfect results every time. Made from food-grade glass, it's safe for open flames and gas stovetops. Both the pot and its lid are also microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. What we like. Crafted from food-grade borosilicate glass, this option offers a truly healthy and non-toxic cooking experience. Its clear design allows you to watch your food cook without lifting the lid, perfect for precise results. If you prioritize health, enjoy seeing your culinary creations come to life, and need a versatile pot for smaller portions like baby food or noodles, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. 1.8L Borosilicate Glass Cooking Pot. This 1.8L borosilicate glass pot is incredibly versatile, perfect for preparing pasta, soups, stews, and even baby food. Its heat-resistant design and anti-scald handles make it a true kitchen multitasker, ready for any culinary challenge. Its transparent design allows you to easily monitor your food without lifting the lid, ensuring continuous and even cooking. This feature prevents heat and steam loss, making your cooking process efficient and completely hassle-free. Handmade from 3.5mm thick borosilicate glass, it is free from lead and BPA, guaranteeing safe and healthy meals. This durable pot is built to last, providing a chemical-free cooking experience for years to come. Designed for low to medium heat on various stoves, it's also safe for the oven, microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher. This makes it ideal for all your cooking, reheating, and storage needs. Each pot comes with a convenient clip-on food strainer and a mini cookbook full of inspiring recipes. These extras help you discover new ways to use it, bringing convenience and versatility to your kitchen. What we like. This 1.8L glass pot is incredibly versatile, not just for cooking but also for creating home fragrances. It comes with thoughtful extras like a clip-on food strainer and a mini cookbook, enhancing your cooking journey. If you're looking for a multi-purpose pot with added conveniences and safety features like anti-scald handles, this one is designed to make your kitchen tasks easier and more enjoyable. What people say. Number 2. Modern Innovations Cast Iron Melting Pot. Discover the quality craftsmanship of this pre-seasoned cast iron pot. It's made with the highest quality materials, designed to be enjoyed for a lifetime. You can even pass it down for generations to come. This basting pot is incredibly versatile, perfect for melting cheese or cooking a variety of sauces. It's a must-have for any kitchen, RV, or camping trip, ensuring perfectly cooked dishes every time. Lightweight yet sturdy, this cast iron sauce pot is your ideal companion for any adventure. Its portable design makes it easy to transport, serving a multitude of purposes beyond just sauces. Experience superior heat retention with this melting pot, ensuring consistent temperatures for all your cooking. Designed to simmer directly on your grill, it guarantees your sauces are always at the perfect temperature. Enjoy the best in cookware with this mini grill pot. Its compact size and robust features offer exceptional value for all your culinary needs. What we like. This compact pot is made from pre-seasoned cast iron, offering exceptional durability and heat retention for consistent cooking. It's specifically designed to sit on your grill, making it perfect for basting, melting, or keeping sauces warm outdoors. If you appreciate traditional cast iron quality, love grilling, and need a small, sturdy pot that holds heat perfectly for sauces and melted ingredients, this is an ideal companion. What people say. The simmer pot consistently holds a low heat, perfect for delicate sauces and infusing aromas. Its robust build and non-stick interior make cleanup effortless after extended use. Number 1. YARNOW Glass Pot 1.9L 67 ounces. Crafted from high borosilicate glass, it withstands extreme temperatures. This ensures safe and long-term use on your stovetop. Its transparent design lets you watch your food as it cooks. This makes it simple to control the progress and perfect your dishes. Equipped with comfortable handles on both sides, it offers easy and safe handling. This reduces the risk of burns when moving it. This is a truly versatile cooking pot. It's perfect for baby food, milk, vegetables, soups, and noodles, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. With its convenient size, it offers ample capacity for safe heating and cooking. It's ideal for all your daily household meal preparations. What we like. Constructed from high borosilicate glass, this pot offers excellent heat and cold resistance for reliable everyday use. Its ergonomic handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, minimizing the risk of burns. If you prioritize safety and ease of handling in your daily cooking, appreciate being able to clearly monitor your food, and need a practical, versatile pot for common meals, this is a great fit. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.